Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today we'll see class 7, term 1, chapter 1 integers. In that we'll see the 4 operations on integers. In the previous videos I've given you an activity to derive the rules of addition of integers. Now here we'll just summarize all the rules for all the 4 operations. So addition and subtraction, when you add the two same signs, both are positive or both are negative, we find their sum. Sum means we add them and put the same common sign. If both are positive, you put plus, and if both are negative, if you put minus. And if the signs are different, we put the sign of the greater number. If positive is greater, we put plus. If negative is greater, we put minus. And then we find the difference between the numbers. Difference means we have to subtract the numbers. So to summarize, it is if the signs are same, add and put the common sign. If the signs are different, subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. This is for addition and subtraction. Now we'll see for multiplication and division. It is the same for multiplication and division. If you multiply the two same signs, both are positive or both are negative, it is plus. Multiply the signs, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus. And when you multiply two different signs, plus into minus or minus into plus, the answer is negative. So multiply the same signs positive, multiply the different signs, it is negative. And children, here you can relate this addition rule and multiplication rule just to for us to an idea to remember. Here if the signs are same, what do? We add them. Here when you multiply the same signs, we put plus sign. So if the signs are same, we add here and put plus sign in multiplication. If the signs are different, we subtract them, and the sign of subtraction is here also minus. So just to remember the rules, if the signs are different, it is minus. And if the signs are same, it is plus. Okay, this is just for you to remember, one clue. Now it is division also same, just like multiplication rules. If you divide the two same signs, it is positive. Plus divided by plus is plus, minus divided by minus is also plus. And when you divide the two different signs, plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus, it is minus. So to put together in addition subtraction, if the signs are same, add and put the common sign. If the signs are different, subtract and put the sign of the greater sign. In multiplication and division, multiply or divide the same signs, it is plus. Multiply or divide the different signs, it is minus. That's all. And rest is just the operations what we have studied in the junior classes. Now we'll try these examples. Come on, first we'll add them. First is plus 7 added plus 5 plus 7. Look at the signs, both are positive. 5 is plus, 7 is plus. Both are positive, so we put the same common sign plus and add them. 5 plus 7 is 12. And both are negative, minus 5 and minus 6, so put the common sign minus, and 5 plus 6 is 11. Now it is minus 7 plus 4. So the signs are different. So what do? Subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. Greater number is 7. Sign of 7 is minus, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Now again here the signs are different, but the greater number is 8. Sign of 8 is plus, put plus, and 8 minus 3 is 5. Now in subtraction. While in subtraction, we get one step extra. Then we follow the rule of addition. First sum is plus 6 minus 18. Plus 6 minus plus 8. This is plus 8. It is plus 8. Now, write the first integer as it is and change subtraction into addition and change the sign of the second number. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. Now the subtraction sum we have changed into addition sum. So here we have to just follow the rule of addition. That is why in the beginning I said addition and subtraction same rule. After this step we follow the rule of addition. So sign of 6 is plus, sign of 8 is minus. Signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number minus and subtract them. 8 minus 6 is 2. Second one, minus 6 minus plus 3. This is minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3. So write the first integer as it is. Change subtraction into addition. Minus becomes plus. Then change the sign of the second integer. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. When it is plus 8 becomes minus 8. And minus 3 becomes plus 3. Now the signs are different. So put the sign of the greater number. Greater number is minus and put minus sign. And subtract them. 9 minus 3 is 6. Next one. Minus 5 minus plus 3. So first integer minus 5 as it is, change subtraction into addition and change the sign of the second number. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now the signs are same, minus 5 and minus 3. So put the common sign minus and add them. 5 plus 3 is 8. So answer is minus 8. Then minus 9 and minus 12. Write the first integer as it is, no change. Subtraction changed into addition. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Change the sign of the second integer. Now sign of 9 is minus, sign of 2 is plus, signs are different. Put the sign of the greater number is 9 and the sign is minus. Subtract them, 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is about addition and subtraction. Now we'll see multiplication and division. It is very simple. It is easier than addition and subtraction. Just first we have to multiply the signs and then multiply the numbers. So plus 8 into plus 3. So plus into plus is plus. When you multiply the same signs, it is plus. 8 3s are 24. And here children, positive integers can be written with or without sign. Even if you put just 24, it is plus 24. But when the integer is negative minus sign has to be written. It is a must. Okay, otherwise it will become positive if you don't put the sign. Now second is minus 5 into minus 9. So signs are minus into minus. When you multiply the same signs, it's plus, and 5 9s are 45. Next is minus 8 into plus 6. Signs are different. So minus into plus. When you multiply different signs, minus, then multiply the numbers. 8 6 are 48. Plus 7 into minus 3. Multiply the signs first. Plus into minus, minus, 7 3s are 21. So instead of telling children plus into minus, minus into minus, if it is confusing, you just see plus and minus. So different signs, minus. Minus into minus, same sign, minus and minus, same signs, plus. Different signs, minus. That way also you can remember. It is whichever is convenient for you. Now it is division. We follow same rules. First divide the signs and then divide the numbers. So plus divided by plus, dividing the same signs, plus. Same signs plus, different signs minus. This goes with addition subtraction also. Same signs plus, different signs minus. Okay. And then divide the numbers. 9 divided by 3. Tell 3 tables till you get 9. 3 3s are 9. Then minus divided by minus. The same signs plus. 10 divided by 3 is 2. 2 5 2s are 10. Then minus 18 divided by plus 9. So different signs minus. Same signs plus. Minus. Then 18 divided by 9. Tell 9 tables till you get 18. 9 2s are 18. Then plus 45 divided by minus 5. Plus different signs. Divide the different signs minus. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. So this is how we do the sums in all the 4 operations. Now here I have just set a small activity, very simple, just adding addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the 4 operations. It is a small activity. When you do this, you will become thorough with all the 4 operations, so that we can move on to the next topic. Now look at this children, it is the rule. I have given the rule for the first activity. The activity I have given 4 parts. Part 1 is the rule is add 3. Rule is add 3. Okay. Add 3. In that the number in is minus 5 and the number out is output we have to find. So number in is minus 5. You write that minus 5. Number in is minus 5. So you put that minus 5. And what we have to do, add 3. So add 3 means plus 3. With this minus 5 plus 3. Now you perform the sum here, operation here. Sign of 5 is minus, sign of 3 is plus. So signs are different. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number, which is minus 2. I'll do one more for you. So the number in is minus 6 and we have to add plus 3. For everything, all the 4 numbers, rule is only adding 3. Now here again the signs are different. Minus 6 and plus 3. Signs are different. You subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3 and sign of the greater number minus. So next is plus 7 plus 3. Plus 10 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. So rest you do it on your own. Next is the rule is subtract 5. So number in is 6 and you have to subtract 5. Subtract means it is minus. 6 minus 5 is 1. So next you should write number in is 0 minus 5. Then minus 2 minus 5. Well, you do the sums and find the answers. Okay. So this will be a recalling activity for you. Now rule 3. Next one is multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. The number in is minus 5. So it is minus 5 into minus 4. So first multiply the signs. Minus into minus is plus. 5 4s are 20. So next one you should write plus 3. You have given plus 3 into minus 4. So different signs. Plus into minus minus. 3 4s are 12. Like this you do the rest of the sums. Then next is rule number 4 is divide by 4. So the number in is minus 12. Take this minus 12. Rule is divide by 4. Divided by 4. So minus divided by plus, divide the different signs, it is negative, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So answer is minus 3. So next one you will be doing 0 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4, and so on. You complete all the 4 parts of this activity. You become familiar with all the 4 operations of integers. Okay children, thank you for watching. Thank you.